Today is the day. It's the 10th-year anniversary of the Viking Marathon. Mrs. K is on the run. It's not a run, it's a marathon.
I came from the mud.
Maglalakad lang tayo. Sa dulo tayo.
We're done, 12:30.
Woo! Wow. The first and second just arrived.
Dolores McAvoy is coming towards us.
Are they close?
No, no, not yet. They're doing half. So, in the meantime, while waiting for Mrs. K, I'm gonna have some coffee. Americano, as usual. Hi, can I get Americano, please? So, this is such a nice, kind of a camper, sort of a cafe. Yeah, this one here.
Anyone in particular?
Are they all the same? They're all the same, aren't they? Yeah. Oh,
I'll be this.
I thought that too.
Yeah.
Well done, ladies. Well done. That's it. Well done. Keep it going.
7 miles. Halfway there. Okay, so we are on 9 miles now. We're cutting hair. Ooh.
Well done, well done. Well done. That's it, ladies. Keep it going.
10 miles. Surviving. Oh, is it more than? Okay, more than miles to go. Okay, 12 miles.
Well done, well done.
Will Irene, you're welcome back, Will Mark. 2:22.22. Come on, Will. Welcome back.
Congratulations.
Hey, well done. Congrats.
Hey, where's my banana?
Okay. How's it? Everything good? You alright?
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you.
2:29.52. 2:29.52. Good time, very good time. 2:30.03 official time. 2:30.03 official time for Tudor. Well done. 2:34 done, Prince.
Oh, kamusta?
Nagka-cramps.
Nag-cramps ah. Okay, at least congratulations. Did you do the dancing again? Because you were... Mr. Mayor.
No nurses.
Yeah, her husband and wife.
University has
Brilliant.
Yeah.
We badly need you. Badly
Thank
need
you, thank you. So that's the Mr. Mayor.
been here for the last 17 years.
17?
Yes.
Are you happy then?
Oh well, yes. With that year,
You
yeah.
don't want to leave anytime soon. You did a half marathon or quarter marathon.
Yeah.
Still a long way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Long
What
way.
kind of time was it? You know?
I think I did it 2 hours and
2 hours.
20 minutes.
It's really good.
It's alright.
Yeah. I tell you, you look very fresh. You look like
thank
you would
you.
do another marathon.
Oh, I think so, yeah.
2:56 ang time.
Ah, well done.
2:56?
Yabang.
Oh my
Sabay
goodness,
tayo.
huh?
Sabay tayo.
Wow. Yeah.
Thank you.
Have the names.
Medals.
So, Claude, are you going to do it again?
Since I got a medal, maybe. But for sure, I'll do proper training for this.
Yes.
First timer! Half marathon
2023.
finisher!
We're going again.
Oh! Yay!
Are you okay, my love?
Ano yan?
Supportive.
Hello, my love.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, good. She did it.
Yeah. Look at me.
no.
Look at me.
I have medal!
Okay guys, we're here at Jack Meats and this is post the marathon, the Viking Marathon. So we have this, whoa, the Sunday, oh my goodness, the burger. And hello. Yeah, how does it feel after the marathon? You want to eat everything?
I want to eat.
You want to eat everything, is it? Oh my god. Look at the burger here. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's cool. Nice one. Yeah. Okay, wait.
How are we?
Good, good. That's my burger.
Welcome back.
Is it? Oh, nice. Thank you. What are you having, guys? Are you waiting for your food?
This time I'm having a steak and rice.
Steak and rice. Oh my goodness,
Well
after the
deserved
run.
meal, yes. I didn't get breakfast at all. I only had coffee. I was having butterflies in my tummy because it's first ever marathon.
Wow. Is it half marathon, is it?
Half marathon,
To
yes.
show them the medals.
I have to show you.
Oh, okay. Now the food is here. Yeah. Your food, guys.
How about my food?
Is that all?
Yeah, chicken stir fry noodles and
Looks nice.
It's like
chips.
Okay. It's a full plate, is it? Seems like half
Hopefully,
plate.
yeah, half plate, yeah.
Yay!
Yeah. And yours is there.
Ako
Oh,
nakakahiya naman yung
my goodness. Is that yours?
And Davor's.
No.
If I can finish it, you'll finish the rest.
So right.
It's okay. It's okay. You deserve it.
Dessert.
Yeah. You want extra rice? Is it
Oh,
more?
no, extra rice. This is enough.
Enough.
More peppers.
How about Mrs. K? What you
I'm
how
having
about
chicken barbecue.
chicken barbecue? Oh, nice,
Yes.
nice one. Chicken barbecue, well deserved
Yeah.
chicken barbecue.
Yes, because I was fasting earlier.
You were fasting
I actually
while running,
did
or
half marathon without any food.
okay.
Since last meal last night.
What time was your last meal then?
Around 9 o'clock.
Okay, were you running like
Oh, no, earlier. Is it? Around 8 o'clock. 8
around
o'clock.
8?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually good. I did it before, so I was confident that I'll be okay.
You'll be okay without
Yeah.
food in your
In this game,
before
in
running
this,
and all.
Viking Marathon.
Ah.
Okay.
And me, I'm just gonna destroy this burger. Oh my goodness. All destroyed. Is that how
Yeah,
it
we're the
takes?
winner for this marathon.
Yeah, for the
Yes.
marathon
18
runners.
marathon.
Nothing left for
Oh
your
my
pets.
goodness.
You
Yeah.
see, oh, nothing left.
Yeah.
Clean.
Everything all clean. Clean up. Look at that. Nice.
Nothing left for Bruno.
Yeah. But how's the food, guys?
Lovely.
Lovely, yeah. Nice. Enjoy the food anyway, Davor.
I did, yeah.
And we are finished with the food here at Jack Meats.
But it's
Check
good
it out,
though that
guys.
she
Nice.